Next problem. If x power y equal to, next problem, x power y equal to y power x. Next problem, if x power y equal to y power x, then find dy by dx. Solution, given x power y equal to y power x. So now apply logarithm on both sides. Now apply log on both sides. So then log of x power y equal to log of y power x. So now log m power n equal to n log m. So y log x equal to x log y. So then, which implies now differentiating with respect to x. So now d by dx of y log x equal to d by dx of x log y. So d by dx of y log x equal to, so now apply uv. So y into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of y. So then which equal to x into d by dx of log y plus log y into d by dx of x. So then which implies y into log x derivation 1 by x plus log x into d by dx of, so here y into 1 by x plus log x into, here write dy by dx. So which equal to x into, here d by dx of log y. So log y derivation is 1 by y. 1 by y into, here dy by dx plus log y into d by dx of x derivation is 1. So then which implies y by x plus log x into dy by dx, which implies x by y into dy by dx plus log y. So then which implies log x into dy by dx. So now write here log x into dy by dx. So write left side, then minus x by y into dy by dx equal to, here log y and y by x comes to right side, then minus y by x. So then now let us write dy by dx is common. So then log x minus x by y. So then which implies log y minus y by x. So then which implies dy by dx equal to x log y. Dy by dx can be written as log y minus y by x. So totally by here log x minus x by y. So then which implies, now apply LCM. So x log y minus y. So totally by x. So now y log x minus x totally by, here write y. So then now this is the value of the dy by dx. So now it can be written also log of y power x minus y by x. So totally by log x power y minus x by y. So this is the value of dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx equal to log of y power x minus y by x into y by log of x power y minus x. Therefore, hence the solution. Next one, if f of x comma y equal to 0 comma pi of y comma z equal to 0, then show that dou f by dou y into dou pi by dou z comma into dou z by dou x equal to dou f by dou x into dou phi by dou y. Solution given f of x comma y equal to 0 and pi of y comma z equal to 0. So now here we have to write df equal to dou f by dou x dot dx plus dou f by dou y into dy equal to 0. So from here, so what we have to write dy by dx, so which implies minus dou f by dou x. So totally here dx can be written as dou f by dou y. Okay, so next dy by dx can be written as, now by taking this one, so and the two, now we have to write similarly dou phi. So dou phi can be written as dou phi by dou y into dy plus dou phi by dou z into dz equal to 0. So by using that we have to write dz by dy equal to minus dou phi by dou y by dou phi by dou z. So now by multiplying these respective sides of the given equations, now by multiplying the respective sides of equation 1 and 2, so then dy by dz dot dz by dy equal to dou f by dou x dot dou phi by dou y by dou f by dou y dot dou phi by dou z, then which implies dz by dx dot dou f by dou y dot dou phi by dou z, so which implies dou f by dou x dot dou phi by dou y. So dou z dz by dx dot dou f by dou y dot dou pi by dou z equal to dou f by dou x dot dou pi by dou y. So hence the theorem, hence the solution. So by using that, since f of x comma y equal to 0 and pi of x comma y comma z equal to 0, so using those two conditions we have to solve this solution. Therefore hence the solution. It is the important for short notes.